Welcome everyone. Happy Thursday. Welcome to Jen's Joyful Kitchen. I'm sharing tools and a tasty recipe with you to help you live a healthy summer. Have your best summer ever. So today's recipe is actually zucchini carbonara. And zucchini carbonara is a lighter version of your pasta carbonara. So you're actually making it with zucchini noodles that we're going to use our spiralizer for. And instead of adding heavy cream, we're going to lighten it up with some half and half. And it's going to be just lower in calories, a little light, perfect for summer, and super fast to make. So if you need a vegetable side dish, this is a great one to serve. Maybe you're having burgers or pork or anything, chicken, anything like that. You could grill that up and cook this up in about 5 minutes. So it's super easy and it's delicious, and it also boosts your vegetables. So thanks for watching, and share with your friends this video on your own timeline, and like the video, and also would love your comments and your questions. So feel free to bring those on while you're watching today. So we're gonna get started. Zucchini noodle carbonara. That's what we're doing today. So what I've got going back on my stovetop here is warming up my pan. I'm just gonna drop my bacon in. I've had some pre-cooked bacon from earlier in the week. I just chopped it up, and I'm just gonna re-warm it because really it's already cooked. And I'm using our stainless steel nonstick skillet. So this is a great skillet that's nonstick, cooks like stainless, cleans up like nonstick. So I love it because it's so easy to use and so easy to clean. Saves me a lot of time in the kitchen. I'll post a link to that in the comments. While that's just heating up, we are going to spiralize our zucchini. And to do that, I've just got a nice sized zucchini here, and just going to chop off about a 4-inch section. That's about how much of a piece our zucchini or our spiralizer is perfect for. So this is the Pampered Chef Spiralizer. So easy to use, so easy to clean. The bottom piece comes off. This whole piece also unscrews and comes off for easy cleanup, but even more goes right in the dishwasher. And to put it back together, there's just 2 little arrows. You just pop that back into place. And it comes with 3 different ways. Hi, Elizabeth. Thanks for watching. 3 different ways to cut your noodles. And you can do zucchini, you can do apples, you can do peppers, you can do the neck of a butternut squash, parsnips, carrots, all kinds of different things. And it comes with this little blade. I'll show it to you here. You can see the wide teeth are for fettuccine style noodles, and the skinny teeth are for spaghetti style noodles. Now there's also a blade right in here, and that's for the ribbon cut. And that makes kind of like your round chip size cuts. So if you love to make like thinly sliced potatoes, for example, just spiralize them. It takes you 30 seconds, maybe not even, probably 10. So we are going to spiralize our noodles. Oh, I better put my blade in first. I'm going to do the fettuccine cut. So just popping my blade guard in, just because it helps me line up my blade, I slide the blade in, I tighten the nut, and I take off the blade guard. It's that simple. Then we're just going to pop our zucchini right in the middle. There's this little prong, and then you just press down so that it gets a good, which kind of got a little crooked there. There we go. Then it gets a good handle on that, and we're just going to spiralize it. Now it's going to come out this side, so I want to make sure that you can see it. Hopefully, I will have to lift it out. All right. It's coming right out. But what I like about our spiralizer is that it's not horizontal. It's instead the vertical, so you don't have to worry about it getting off center or anything like that. Okay, just gonna take my bacon off the heat. I've got it really, really cooking because this is so fast. That bacon was so fast that we're just catching up with our zucchini noodles. So this was just a 4-inch chunk. Now you can buy zucchini noodles in the grocery store, but you really can spend a lot on spiralized items. So this is a way to save yourself some money. Use your fresh farmer's market or garden produce if you have that going in your own garden or near you with a farmer's market. But check out our noodles. Isn't that amazing? So let me just grab a couple here. Look at this. It's like Goldilocks here. What you can do then is you can take your kitchen shears and you just simply can chop them up so that they're smaller chunks and you don't have to worry about choking, but just kind of giving them a little chop. So I'm going to do my other section here, and it's super fast. So like I said, you can do all these different types of fruits and even vegetables. Even beets is great, sweet potatoes, regular potatoes, all kinds of different things. Oh yeah, so there's a little chunk in here that always remains, and that's okay because that actually stops the prongs from hitting the blade, damaging your blade. So let's put this back in and we will start turning again. And I like the wider cut for this recipe because it just kind of cooks up nicely. You're only going to cook this for about 3 minutes. We're basically sauteing it, kind of steaming it a little bit. And then it's going to be ready to add a little sauce to, and then it's done. So it's really fast and easy. All right, so thanks for watching, guys. Share the video. Would love to have your friends learn how to make this recipe as well. So we've got more zucchini noodles. So this is one zucchini made about 2 cups of noodles. And it was kind of a medium size. Now, if you had a really large one, it would have probably a little bit more to it. But you don't want to get too large with your zucchini. So as your zucchini is growing this summer, if you're growing any, you don't want the ones that are this big. Because what happens is they're really woody and they get really stringy and they're actually not that good to eat. Fun to look at and look at how big they grow. Zucchini grows so fast. Literally overnight, you could have a blossom with a small little zucchini on the end of it, and the next day it could be this long. So, especially with the right amount of water, if you're getting some good rain or if you keep your garden kind of nicely watered, it will grow really fast. So, let's go back over to our pan, and we've got our bacon, nice, and this is the good thing about stainless steel nonstick. It's not going to stick even if you take it a little bit too far with the cooking process. Yes, homemade noodles, yes, definitely taste better. I think so too, because you just do them fresh. So yeah, thank you, Elizabeth, for that comment. Got my bacon in there. We are going to add, still sizzling. That's the other great thing about this pan. It stays warm for a long time. It's still sizzling without even the heat on it. So I'm just going to add this to the stovetop. I've turned down the heat a bit, which is good, because we don't need to actually have it up that high. I'm going to add a little bit of crushed red pepper, just kind of a pinch or a sprinkle. Maybe you like things a little hotter, and then you can add a little bit more, so that's all good. We're also going to do a little garlic, and fresh bulbs of garlic are much more inexpensive when you buy them at the grocery store. You can buy a whole bulb, which is like a bulb. Kind of looks like a flower bulb if you were going to plant it, but you can buy that whole thing for 50 cents usually. It comes with about 10 or 12 different cloves in it. We're just using a clove, and what I love about our garlic press is I don't have to peel the clove. You can see, still got the paper on it, and I'm just going to push it, whoops, before I lose it there. I'm just going to press it right into my pan. And I left my tool over here. So the tool that comes with it actually helps you scrape off that garlic once you get it pressed. This is already smelling very good. We've got those crushed red pepper flakes. We've got the bacon. We've got garlic. It looks already fantastic. Now you could stop there and just have a side dish like that. You could totally do that. But we're going to go a little bit farther, and we're going to do a little bit of a cream sauce, but a lighter cream sauce. So I've got some half and half here, and I'm going to add a little bit of cornstarch. We're going to do, yep, there we go. I'll be posting the recipe, so don't worry. This is such an easy one, though. You definitely got to make it. So it's just stirring that together. Kind of making, why you add the cornstarch is because you're going to actually make a thicker sauce. So the cornstarch offers that ability. So I'm just going to pour that in. And this does not take long at all. It's already thickening. I'm even going to turn it down just a touch. The last part is to add some frozen peas and a little bit of salt and pepper. So a couple of little dashes of salt and a couple of the black pepper. Fast and easy. And this is also a great lunch if you're home for lunch. This is a really quick and easy lunch that you can have. It's already done, and you can be really happy with yourself by having all these vegetables. So check that out. Isn't that awesome? It smells amazing. It's like a light kind of Italian flavor a little bit. You could add Italian seasoning if you wanted to. You could have a grilled chicken breast to go on the side of this. You could do lots of different things because you have this side dish. So we did zucchini carbonara. We lightened it up by using zucchini noodles rather than the pasta noodles. And that means we got more vegetables, more fiber, a little bit more vitamins and minerals from the zucchini. And we lightened up the sauce by using half and half. It's just a great recipe. So I encourage you to try it. Share in the comments what you thought of it. I'm going to be posting that recipe in the comments. And also posting the tools, so the spiralizer, the skillet, and a few other things that I used today. You are able to purchase those. And then share this video with your friends. Would love to help your friends and you continue to cook with joy and live with more balance by having these great recipes that are fast and easy, tasty and healthy. So thanks for watching, everyone. Catch me again next week. I'll be sharing some other fast and easy summer recipes because it officially starts next week for me with my kids finishing school next week. So we will be tackling what to do in the summer. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.